Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Leave Your Worries Behind. The song is The Groove Line, the artist is HEATWAVE, and the choreography is Lady T and Kathy ROSEL. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. If you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, make sure you check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Please visit our website right now to check out all the details about the hotel and registration. www.LMIUNOLA.com. And let's get it. And there you go, guys. Leave your worries behind. Make sure you check out the demo, the instructional at the end. Also check out the NOLA Southern Experience. Visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.